Jacob Burton here from StellaCulinary.com, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make these cute little buggers. Little tiny hamburgers, also known as sliders. Now, we're using our 2-ounce patties that we formed in a previous video, and our little miniature brioche buns that we formed in a previous video. And here I have a sheet tray that's been in a 425-degree oven, or roughly that temperature, for about 10 minutes. And this is just to get it hot, warm it up. I'm going to brush some oil on it and then coat it with some butter and then place some diced yellow, white, or whatever your favorite onion is. Here I'm using yellow onion that is fine diced. And I'm going to season with some salt, and you could use some pepper if you want, but come on guys, you don't need pepper on everything, okay? Try to keep it simple. So I'm going to pop these in the 425-degree oven for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they look something like this. They're starting to steam, they're starting to soften, okay? I'm going to place the 2-ounce slider patties directly on top of these onions, and I mean, this is kind of embarrassing. I'm a bit of a control freak, so I'm placing a ChefAlarm right into the patties, because that way it'll beep at me when it's right at a perfect mid-rare doneness. So you can use a ChefAlarm and it'll beep at you, and you can be totally anal about it, or you can just place it into your oven, check it, in about 5 minutes, and they'll be roughly medium. If you give it a little poke with your finger and it's springy but not mushy, then they're probably about perfect. Now, what's nice about this is because we are cooking the hamburgers directly on top of the onions get a chance to infuse with all the beautiful, tasty hamburger juices. Now we're going to take our cute little mini brioche buns and brush the bottom with mayonnaise, and that mayonnaise is going to form a moisture barrier for when we put our onions directly on top of the bun. And then on top of the onions, we're going to place our hamburger patties. Now, at this point, you can top them with whatever condiments you want. And what's nice about this method is because we're using a sheet tray, we're baking them in the oven, these are great for parties, right? So you can fire off 20 to 30 of these things at a time, place them on your counter with some condiments. If you want to be a real boss, you bake these little mini brioche buns to go along with it, and your friends and family can come up to the counter and they can build their own mini sliders and top them however they like, right? What a fun way to entertain your family and friends. At least I think so. So if you want to learn more about making some hamburgers or hamburger-themed food, like French fries, seasoned fries, battered fries, and the miniature hamburger brioche buns as featured in this video, head on over to our hamburger super resource page. That's not that super. It has about 9 videos, right? StellaCulinary.com/hamburger, and you can check out all these videos, which are available there for your hamburger making pleasure.